Hello everybody. Today I'm gonna show you how to place objects in a pattern that helps you a lot. So let's say if you're doing this and you press V for using the vertex one, and then you duplicate and do this. Nah, this is too slow. I have a better solution, which is my plugin for Unity. It's here in tools. It's a grid object generator. So as soon as you open it, it's gonna be this. Just let me make it smaller for you so you could understand. Okay. So here is the name you could set. So you could name it, I don't know, like wow my grid. Wow my grid, something like that. And here's the working plane which you're using. So let's say if it's Z, then the Z is gonna be our plane to work, you understand? So the Z is gonna be the facing plane we're working with. And since everything is like this, plus and plus, so it's plus and plus, y plus and x plus. Okay, so yeah, here's the area we are working with. So the area right now, it's only 2 objects by 2 objects. So if we rank that up, we're gonna have, like, let's say for the moment it's 6 objects by 2 objects, and this one it's 5 objects. And yeah, you could go here on top and it's gonna specify where are you. Like, let's say this one is 4 and 2, so it's 4 on x and y2. And we're having the spacing. So the spacing which sets the centers of the objects, it's placing the objects at a specific spacing, so all the objects are actually spaced equally. So yeah, here the origin, you could literally set what origin you're using. Usually I use 0 0 0 since it's the center of the map, actually the center of the world. So yeah, the items count, it's actually modifying how many items we're gonna have here. So for example, we only have 1 right now, so we could only have only 1 object. So let's say if I select the cube, everything is gonna be a cube. So it's not interesting at all doing that. Interesting becomes when you're having multiple objects. By example, I usually let the item 0 empty since I don't want anything to be traced there. So I'm using the other item. So let's say I'm gonna take a cube and then make some cubes. And yeah, just by clicking it loops through those. So yeah, you're just clicking like that. So let's say that's my scene. It's gonna be like this. And you could actually go here and trace all the objects. Here it appears all my grid, the same as here, and you open it and you're having all the cubes inside. That means it's something like this. You see? Since the camera it's pointing this way, and actually it's not about the camera, it's more about the x and y. As you can see, y it goes it starts from here and goes down usually, and x it goes that way. But don't forget, there's a small trick you could use. It's actually going in the negative here. Let's say if I put a -1 and I trace it, let's say I'm gonna place the origin y, I'm gonna place it on 1. So now we're gonna have the same thing but just flipped upwards. You could place it on x if you want. So let's say I'm gonna change this one like that. It's gonna be y0 and x is gonna be -1, and we could have it like that, you see. And we could actually have it also on y. So I'm gonna let the x -1 and z -1. Let's see what does. Okay, so we're having all that objects here, you see. So now I'm just gonna close this for a while. You could see I'm selecting my grids. They're all just generated differently, and yeah, you could always select them and do whatever, like move them here. There's no problem with that. It's just the tool I made is just helping you to create the levels easily. Also, you could what you could do is open them multiple times. It's supported also, but be very careful when you're closing it, since it does not save and it always makes a new instance as soon as you modified something. If you close it completely and you reopen it, it's not no more there. So yeah, thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed it, and that's it. Have a great day.